So it is a Sunday and I had a rotisserie chicken that I bought and, intended on eating right away, and we didn't. And so I am going to make a slow cooker pulled chicken deliciousness that I'm going to put on nachos. So here's what we need to do. Okay, so I've started by putting my chicken in here, which was my rotisserie chicken. And I'm putting it in not a slow cooker, but one of these, because I like cooking it in these quote unquote Dutch ovens, but whatever you've got. Okay, so I have my rotisserie chicken. I have a little bit of olive oil on the bottom. Then I put my peppers. I'm gonna put a can of baked tomatoes on top. I'm gonna keep this at a high heat. I'm gonna cover it for like maybe up to 3 hours. And then we're gonna check it. When we can pull it apart, that's when we'll know it's ready. Now I'm going to take my fork. I added a few beans in here early, but you just take your fork and you pull apart. See how easy the chicken is just pulling apart. And then I'm gonna add the rest of the beans and let it sit for 20 minutes. Right, I used cooking spray on these and then cut them up, and I have the oven preheated to 425. And I'm gonna crisp up my little flour tortillas. We're gonna be in here for about 12 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of the mixture. I've preheated the oven to boil. Some of the mixture, I'm gonna put it here on top, and then I'm gonna melt cheese over top, and then I'll show you what happens. All right, I broiled it. I added my toppings that I like, whatever you like to put on. I put on jalapenos, some lime, and some little fat sour cream, and there we have it.